Hey, Nita here with WeCookieers.com. So what is this channel all about? Well, it's about cooking, and I show you tutorials, many tutorials, anywhere from the basics of how to make your sugar cookie to how to make my Supreme Royal Icing that has gotten over 20,000 downloads and keeps going. But I will set you up with the very basics, start you decorating with tutorials, to the more advanced skills when you start airbrushing. And I even have a good video of disassembly and assembly of airbrushes. So even if you're new to this channel, but you're a cookier and you're having problems with that, I'm able to help you. And I just give all kinds of cookie cutter flips and everything else. So welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe, and also run over to WeCookieers.com, sign up for my periodical, and see what all the fuss is about. I look forward to seeing you later, and thanks for dropping by. Bye-bye.